In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the extract and mailout area of the reporting center in PetLinx. Extract and mailout allows you to extract data and export it to a number of formats, or extract data and use that as a basis for a mailout via email or SMS. In my first example, I want to create a list of active customers and export that. So to do that, under extract and mailout in the reporting center here, choose customer as the type. And this brings up a list of all your customers and all the columns relating to customers. You can click on the column header on any of these columns to sort by that column. So it would be sorted by A to Z on the first click. Click it again, it would be sorted by Z to A, descending. And click on a different column and you'll sort by that column. As you can see here, I've got 3 active and 1 inactive customer. I don't actually want to include the inactive customer in my export, so to get rid of him, we use the filter option. Now the filter button shows up whenever you hover over the top right of any column. So if I want to get rid of inactive customers, I click on the filter button on the status column. It brings up a list of choices here, and I just want to choose the active ones. You'll see that that one's now disappeared, and we can go close. Now you can add additional filters to any of the other columns here as well. And all the filters you apply will show up under here. But that's basically what I want to do. I've got my active customers, so now I come down here and I choose Export Extract. You've got a choice of CSV, text, or Excel, and I want to export to Excel. Choose the location, give it a name, that name's fine. Choose Save. It's as simple as that. In my second example, I want to send an SMS message to the grooming customers I've got coming in tomorrow, just to tell them about some building work we're doing on the salon, just to make them aware of it. So to do that, we choose grooming booking as the type of extract to do. Now that brings up all of the grooming bookings we've had from the very start. So of course, I just want to show tomorrow's bookings. So if we filter on date, I'll click tomorrow. And there we go, we just have tomorrow's bookings showing here. Okay, now what I did notice here is that one of these was cancelled. So I don't want to include that booking in my mail out. Now I could just filter the records down to future ones. Or when you're doing the mail out, you can just simply untick a booking and that one won't be included in the mail out. Okay, so I've got 2 bookings here for tomorrow. Now I want to send an SMS, so I'll choose SMS as the output type. I haven't created my message template yet, so I'll do that now. We'll go into the SMS template editor. Okay, and this is where I can create my message to send out. So I'll go new. It asks you what type of template you want to create here. And this is relating to grooming bookings tomorrow, so I'm choosing grooming booking. Now that's quite important. If I chose a different option there, I wouldn't be able to choose a grooming booking message to be sent out for a grooming extract. Okay, and I'll start writing my message. Now when you're doing the template here, you can insert placeholders for data from the database in your message. So I'm going to say, hi, customer's first name. Please use our site. Oh, due to building. Oh. And then we have our business name at the end, which is business name. Okay, I've created my message template. I go save and give it a name. And save it there. Back in the reporting center, I can now choose that as my template. Building work. Okay, so we're all set up now. Now I go create mailout, and this shows us what customers are going to receive a message. Now this obviously assumes that you have set up SMS previously in PetLinx. We do have help files which tell you how to do that. And all I'd need to do here is go send messages, and my message will be sent out to those customers. And there we have it, two examples of using the extract and mailout section of PetLinx.